guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStreet.com, and today we are here in London to see the new Lumia phone. Nokia have just announced the Nokia Lumia 925, and here we have the device in all the colors in which it is actually available right now. They have launched this phone as a continuation with the Nokia Lumia series, and this phone is right now going to be available in Europe and in other countries. It may come to India also very soon, but that will take some time. If we actually talk about the overall color option which you get on this phone, you have all these three color options which you are seeing right now. You can have this phone with edges which will be aluminium based, as you can see. So this phone is not a full metal phone, but when it comes to the edges you have aluminium, which feels pretty nice and pretty good in terms of the overall build quality, as you can see. And here you have the antenna, as you can see, and the back cover on the silver one on this one is actually grey, and it is matte finish, as you can see. So you have Nokia branding over here and the dual LED flash. It is not the xenon flash, it is the dual LED flash. So you have this device in three color options as the back side is concerned: grey, white and black. I think that the black one looks the best as compared to the other models which we have with us. You can always change the color of the phone by using the Nokia wireless accessory. So you can always change the color of the phone by using the Nokia wireless accessory, which you will need to buy separately, and it will come in black, red, yellow and other vibrant colors. Apart from that, you can get the device in these three colors, as you can see. As far as the camera is concerned, the camera on this device is an 8.7 megapixel camera, and it has an aperture size of 2.0. So as far as the hardware is concerned, they have actually enhanced the camera in terms of the hardware. Now this camera has 6 lenses, which will give you much sharper photos, as well as it will give you much more effects which you can see in the camera mode, which is called the smart camera mode, in which you can actually take photos with blur effect. As far as the overall design of the phone is concerned, let me just give you an overview of the phone. So here we have the device, and if I just give you a full hardware overview of the device, on the bottom you have nothing. For the first time there is no USB port at the bottom. On the right hand side you see the regular buttons. This is the camera shutter key, the power and sleep key, the volume rocker. Here you have a little bend which actually have the antenna inside. On the top you have the micro USB port for data syncing and charging. Here you have the tray for the SIM card, and it will accept a micro SIM card, so you will need to cut your SIM card in case you have a regular size SIM card. Here you have a mic, a secondary mic for noise cancellation. You have a 3.5mm audio universal jack for the headphones, and you get in-ear headphones with this device. Here we have the 8.7 megapixel camera with LED flash, and it is a dual LED flash, so it will also act as focus assist lamp as well. Here we have the loudspeaker, which is pretty big, and you have the dock connectors over here for the wireless charging accessory, and this is how the wireless charging accessory will look like. You can snap it on like this on the edges, and similarly you can remove it. Once you have this accessory, you can use this accessory by doing a wireless charging of this device with the Nokia hardware. If we take a look over the camera is pretty big in terms of the overall size, as you can see, and the LED flash is also not blocked with this particular accessory over here, which is for the wireless charging for the Nokia Lumia 925. So in all, this device seems to be very interesting device. You can easily remove the wireless charging accessory like this from the edges. And if we actually talk about the device in terms of the operating system, you have the Windows Phone 8 operating system running on this device as well, just like you see on Nokia Lumia 920 and other devices like 720 and 520. The interface is similar. As far as the camera is concerned, you have a new camera mode which is called the Nokia Smart Camera Mode, and if we actually go inside this particular camera mode, you do see a different number of options, and the camera UI is also little bit different over here, as you can see. You can access the lenses from here. You do have some additional lenses pre-installed on the device, like camera 360, camera, all these lenses, as you can see over here. Yeah. So can you just demo this feature for us?
Yeah, so basically we can open it in the Nokia Smart Camera. And once you open up in the Nokia Smart Camera, there are 5 different options that you can choose. So in basic shot, basically it's taking the 10 pictures, but since you're only holding it still, so there are only 10 very similar photos that you can have with very little changes.
So you can select the best shot out of all these.
Exactly. And at the same time you have action shot, which is much better to show with the movement. Maybe I could just open up something for you that we have captured previously, then you can see it much better. show it is to, for example, this is a really good example that you can see. So now you can actually choosing a tab, and then you can decide like whether you want to have things to add or things to remove from the photos. Then there are different options that you can choose. At the same time, you can choose a fade effect. So you can just drag and see where you want to focus. For example, I want to focus on that particular image, then you can do that.
So here we have the Nokia Lumia 920 with 925 with us, and this is how these devices look like in terms of the thickness. If we actually talk about the thickness of these devices, the thickness, there is a major difference in terms of the thickness. Nokia Lumia 920 is around 10.7 millimeter thick, as you can easily notice over here, and whereas 925 is much thinner at around 8.5 millimeter in terms of the thickness. As far as the weight is concerned, this one is fairly light and this one is slightly heavier. Nokia Lumia 920 is definitely heavier, whereas Nokia Lumia 925 is around 135 grams in terms of the weight. So it is again fairly light, much easy to carry, much easy to go inside your jeans pocket. It will not cause any kind of problem as far as the form factor is concerned. It is fairly good to hold in one hand. It will easily fit into one of your hand without any issues. It is not big at all, as at 4.5-inch OLED display. And if we actually talk about the camera here has been enhanced. As you can see, the camera on the Nokia Lumia 925 has got 6 lenses, which again will give you much better, sharper images, as well as you can do a lot more with the Nokia camera smart mode, with which you can actually take best shot, action shots, in which you have different people. You can also take shots in which you can remove people. This is a quick comparison and a quick hands-on review of Nokia Lumia 925. Do let us know if you have any specific questions on this device. We would love to help you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. This is Nokia Lumia 925 for you.